We chopped that down by 10 to 15 guests.
Yeah.
Even 20.
Yeah. 60 for the French people, right?
Yeah, so we can fit like about 40 max, 35 if we got a wheelchair. But yeah, Mondays is one of our busiest days.
Can you mention that eagle nest if it's still visible?
The eagle's nest? Where is it?
On this
It's
side?
down closer towards the bottom. I could try and point it out. Not that I need to see it when I do. Everybody's looking, when I'm pointing straight ahead, everybody's looking way up,
Yeah.
or they're looking way down. They're not looking when I say straight ahead.
Okay, so you walk in right in front of us. Straight ahead.
Because it's in a tree where the top looks like it's been flattened. About 5 to 10 feet down, there's a nest that looks like it's dried up wood from the tree.
Oh,
And I tell you how else you can find it without the eagles in it. Because they've been working on that nest for a few years now, and I think it's going to be a good size. It's in a big spruce tree. Once we come a little lower below, once we start getting below the tree line, I'll point it out. It's almost right now. Oh, the eagle's actually right next to it. You see that white head
I see
straight
the white
ahead?
head straight ahead, yeah.
yeah.
Right next to it is the eagle's nest.
Well, you can see like a big bunch of brown.
Yeah, that's the nest.
Could you zoom in on that, Bob?
I don't know. Try it. We got a
I always
little
thought
glare
that
over
the nest
there.
at the top of the tree.
Yep, there it is.
Yeah.
Protection.
They weren't by, the eagle wasn't there by it earlier when I went up.
Yeah, it's easy to identify when you're.
Yeah, because when they're not by it, it's like, it looks like you're seeing a tree.
Yeah, you can see the top a little flattened.
Yeah.
Well, it's hard to tell if I got it or not.
I know.
Yeah.
The viewing screen is not that
Yeah.
great.
Look, there's an eagle right there.
Right there.
Sitting in a tree.
Yeah.
Says, look at me, I'm hiding over here.
Just looking at the tram. Say, oh, there's a tram.
He was sitting in the tree like right above the road here when I went up like 10 minutes ago. And it was like, I was like, there's an eagle in the tree. Last minute, it's just like weekend, we're talking to our guests, so we have to look all the way around the whole car. And so I didn't see it until last minute. I was like, eagle in the tree. Everybody jumped. I think I kind of panicked everybody, but I was like, eagle in the tree. You gotta point out wildlife too.
How many trips you do today?
I just started at 2:30, so right now not very many. And we don't keep track of ours. The total, the only time it doesn't, our trip vary. But when the tram opens up at 8 and the cars are running like by 7 o'clock, 7:30, the car itself all day. By the time we open up at 8 in the morning till 9 at night, the car does from 70 to 80 trips to buy it. Just for a whole day.
Round trips. Yeah.
And the person who keeps track of that